Hi there and welcome everyone to a new Raqmedia tutorial here with Asdeen. In today's tutorial we'll be unboxing this combo USB hub that we have ordered from AliExpress. The cable is not that long, and you still have other option of 5 USBs. What is interesting is that it comes with USB 3.0, which is the latest USB technology, and it comes with a low price. Helps you if your computer just have one USB 3.0, then you can extend this using this functionality. What is interesting also, it comes with micro SD and SD slot reader, so no need to use other devices or gadgets to read your memory card, so it all comes within the same one. So just plug and read directly without any CD drivers or any other things. It will be recognized by the computer automatically, and you enjoy your pen drives and your micro SDs or SD cards without any problems. You'll find the links of the product below this video.
www.raqmedia.com.
If you have already bought it, then you can share your opinions to our community and feedback on this product or other products which are also available, which are like the USB 2.0 or the USB 3.0 with 5 hubs. That was our USB 3.0 hub. See you in coming unboxings. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.